Hi everyone. We've seen that one of the key jobs that fundraisers want their donor CRM to help them with is automating their workflows. For nonprofit fundraisers, this often means the follow-up touch points they have when a specific kind of gift is made, or the cultivation conversations they have with major donor prospects. I want to highlight how Bloomerang's Zapier app can be a powerful and flexible tool to help our customers automate their processes. In general, our Zapier app lets our customers connect Bloomerang with thousands of other apps that are also on the Zapier platform. I'm going to scroll down here a bit. We do that by supporting 4 triggers, which can initiate a workflow based on something that happens in Bloomerang. And we have 7 actions where you can, as part of your workflow, create data in Bloomerang. Today, I want to talk about this brand new action we've just added that allows our customers to create tasks in Bloomerang. I'm going to give you a quick demo of how that can work. I've set up here in my Zapier instance a couple of tasks that reflect vaguely a typical major gift workflow from our customers. Let's say that when a major gift comes in, I have a series of 3 follow-up steps that I have to remember to do. I want the executive director to call within about a week. About a month after the gift, I want to reach out to them via email, invite them in for a tour. And then after those steps have been done, I want my development director to sit down and look at the donors' conversation histories and come up with a plan for what our further cultivation process should be. Let me demonstrate how each of these would be triggered when a major gift comes in. Over here in my demo database, I've got a major gift all lined up from Anne. It's a $5,000 gift, so it's definitely going to meet my organization's major gift threshold. And when the gift is saved, that's going to trigger those 3 zaps. We're not going to see it right here on the timeline right now, but let me just pause and we'll come back in a minute after Zapier has done its work. All right. That only took about 1 minute. Zapier went through each of those 3 zaps and it created those tasks in Bloomerang for us. We can now see them all here on Anne's timeline. I want to go and just look again at our task list. I cleared out all the other tasks from this database just to really show you what it would look like. As you can see here, I've connected all of these to the constituent. We've customized what we want the subject to be. We've assigned it to different users and they have different due dates. And we've even been able to modify the task channel and purpose. Let's hop back into Zapier and take a look at one of these workflows to see all the different ways customers can customize it. So basically what each of these zaps is doing is it's saying when a specific kind of new transaction happens in Bloomerang, create a task in Bloomerang. Customers can customize the trigger. We have built-in filters for them to say only certain types of transactions should be filtered. So in my case, I've decided that a pledge payment or recurring gift payment don't count as major gifts and don't need to go into this workflow. I've said that for my organization, a major gift has a minimum of $1,000 amount, $1,000, and we've got some additional maximum amount filtering that I'm not using in this particular workflow. Then in our create task, which is the new action, we can add a lot of details to the task. I've chosen to assign the task to the constituent profile that made the gift, but depending on the workflow, you don't need to connect it to a constituent. You can define what channel the gifts are on, which user they get assigned to, what the due date is. Zapier has a handy little built-in thing where we can take the gift date and add a certain number of days to customize that due date. We customize the subject, the purpose, and I even put in some notes so that when my executive director gets her task notification email, she's got some extra details that I thought would be helpful for her. If our customers don't want these tasks to trigger those notification emails, they can opt out of that here. This won't override if the user has said that they don't want to get the notification emails, but it will let you say like, hey, these tasks don't need to be part of that if you need it. So that's a summary of some of the ways we can use the new task action in our Zapier app to build Bloomerang to Bloomerang workflows that allow our customers to both put a gift into Bloomerang, then create the tasks and manage the whole donor lifecycle straight from within Bloomerang.